Welcome to another episode of It's All Downhill From Here. So today we're headed to Cape Schanck, a really great spot, very south of Melbourne, right down the bottom. Gorgeous views, awesome rough waters on a windy day like today. I anticipate it's going to be incredible. I cannot wait to show you how cool this spot is. Copy at the Cape Schanck Cafe. Hanging outside the Cape Schanck Cafe and playing frisbee with this clown. Oh, not bad. He stuffed it. Stuffed it, immortalised, and then does a bad throw. What are we going to do with him? So after some intense frisbee from these super male athletes, we're now getting ready to start the hike. Exhausted. All right.
I mean,
somehow she still wins.
you're so slow.
Okay, let's see if we can disguise and get Maddie. The perfect crime. Not subtle at all. That did not work. That did not work at all.
Seriously, I really love
Wow.
Oh, nice.
Company. Down to the Bushrangers Bay beach. Hey, why is she still here? I am gonna fall. No, this may be all downhill from here. Alright, I'm stopping because I fear for my life. Yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Hell yeah. Poor life decisions. Pretty frequent. Pretty frequent. I can see people climbing on that big rock, which means I'm climbing on that big rock. Bushrangers Bay. I really love this spot because even if the water's too rough, there are still rock pools that are deep to still dip in. Cape Schanck, delivering the goods, Chels. Actually, you're not in, Robbo. There you go. Yeah.
Just a face in the crowd, looking for a clue.
If you're a surfer, look no further than Cape Schanck. But if you're not good and you want to try surfing, you'll die here. This is so awesome. Hey, it is dangerous filming and walking up there, yes. Logic is not my forte.
Sand does not taste good.
This is it. This is the walk we came for. The big Cape Schanck Boardwalk. In retrospect, we should have done this one first, but we didn't. So here we go. Have a look at that. Ah. Been here a few times and it never fails to impress me. I mean, look at that. What's not to love?
What's good?
What are we? Why, thank you, my dear.
Nice spicy snacks. My driving snacks.
Driving snacks. What am I eating?
Whatever it is, I don't know.
We don't know.
Spicy and
Comforting. Thanks, company.
I cannot.
Good chat. Good chat. Cultural explosive information here.
There's a place in my mind where I want to be. I imagine you sitting next to me, driving into the night. We're still young and free, holding hands.
Delightful. Absolutely delightful.
Ocean in more.
We got hammered. We got hammered.
This time. There's a place in my mind, and I want to be a better man for
How nice is this, man?
Awesome.
life, and I'm trying to live it through. Just a face in the crowd, looking for a clue. Ocean in motion, watching you.
It's outstanding, but don't be fooled. There's a lot of stairs. Quick message from our suit. watching the series now. Maddie's a good man. Thanks for tuning in and watching our adventures. This clip's for you. A little off the beaten track, a hidden bunker that my friend Robbo knows about. Really excited to see it. Man, this is sick.
It's gonna be a really good group shot.
Oh, this is so cool. I should have brought the JBL down, yeah, I could have just had a disco.
Rough. See the lighting over there, like the money. So you guys standing over there, you have like a light from the top, like it's just like another level.
Ah, brother, save me! Ah! Oh, would you look at that? I did it. And now we're headed to the pub to wrap up the day, always with a nice cheeky beer and a game of pool. Well, here's where we finish the Grand Mornington. Hassan? Yeah. That's what we've been looking for. Yes!
Bounce it.
Yes, Chels! Victory! We're going home, guys! Yes! Come here, Joshy. And you! Well done. Oh, well done. So there we have it. Another awesome day exploring in Victoria. Cape Schanck, beautiful place. Bushrangers Bay, gorgeous beach to check out. You can climb that giant hill. You've got the Cape Schanck Boardwalk, and finishing it off at the Grand in Mornington. Pool, beers, what more could you ask for? See you next time on It's All Downhill from here, guys. Just remember, if you're liking the series, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any future episodes.